The 2011 to 2014 Volkswagen Beetle by ABT Sportsline. The latest VW Beetle upgrades from ABT Sportsline add some real machismo to the styling, performance and handling of this lovable coupe and ragtop. Typically sold on an individual basis, the full ABT kit is also available to turn a stock Beetle into something much more sinister. The beauty of these ABT upgrades, despite the Euro market's sometimes trashy appetite for car-modifying products, is that they can generally be applied across any of the engines or trims from the 2011 to present Volkswagen Beetle coupe and cabriolet. This full-line strategy is smart for ABT, and with only a few pieces that are model year or trim specific, providing other options to fit a diesel engine or GSR. These guys know Beetles inside and out, so they are a good resource for personalizing your love bug. Driving a fast Beetle might sound like a joke to serious GTI fans, but there is a special joy in this shape that's still present after all these years. Additionally, a higher seating position amplifies all the senses, with the G-force feeling even more enjoyable and hilarious inside. When you pass someone in a fast Beetle, they will be confused, impressed, and then confused again. That is part of the fun, and ABT certainly gets it. Click past the jump for all the details on ABT Sportsline's upgrades to the 2011 present Volkswagen Beetle and Beetle Cabriolet. Exterior. The ABT Sportsline upgrades to the latest gen style of the Beetle are very successful. This car faithfully recreates some of the coolness of the Ragster concept and also numerous chopped roof custom old Beetles. In black with the optional OEM VW LEDs lit up in a half moon, the ABT upgrade to the wheels and springs makes the most different to these eyes. A full body kit is offered, with graphite bumper accents in the lower air dams to increase the stance. These are nicely finished but not really required. Lower springs and big wheels is really all this Beetle needs to look completely different than stock. Headlight and taillight covers are offered, but seem quite unusual to someone outside the often tacky German car tuning scene. At least they are color-matching body color, but eyelid headlight covers are right up there with truck nuts and car lashes for their hideousness. On that note, the Herbie-style wrap and custom stripes of the ABT demo car is luckily not mandatory when buying the AQ or handling upgrades. 2011 to 2014 Volkswagen Beetle by ABT, exterior upgrades. Front spoiler headlight covers, rear skirt set, license plate insert, taillight covers, complete wheel set, valve caps, suspension springs, interior. Far fewer ABT upgrades are available inside, which is refreshing versus some high-dollar customs. Only special floor mats and LED-lit ABT sill logos are offered. Floor mats set integrated entrance lights with ABT logo, drivetrain, suspension and brakes. The ABT performance upgrade is actually much more than a chip or flash, which is very nice for ease of installation and the ability to revert back to stock at sale time. The ABT AQ upgrade is a major piece of equipment, with all the required and matching OEM plug sockets, so the power upgrade is applied consistently across the engine, turbo and other parameters. General power increases are quite impressive, especially for the diesel engines. The gasoline upgrade from ABT pushes stock power from 200 up to 240 horsepower, which is nothing to sneeze at for about 30 minutes or DIY-able installation. Performance figures show a corresponding drop, even for the weediest standard engines. Sprint pace is improved across the board, as is top speed. 2011 to 2014 Volkswagen Beetle by ABT, performance upgrades. Pricing and availability. All these upgrades area available now for shipping within and outside Europe. Pricing is available on request only, but ABT does have a pretty good configurator to play around with the various options. Conclusion. Fast Beetles are also fun because they simply shock other traffic. We know because my first car was a bright green 1975 Super Beetle coupe, with a sunroof, quad pipes and big wheel upgrade. This little 1.6-liter was content to roar around town at full throttle all day, the lightweight steering and very good snow traction making it a sweet steer all year round in the Chicago suburbs for this former teenager. Great to see the Beetle hot rod flame still burning bright with this latest gen of thug bugs from ABT Sportsline. Love it. AQ upgrade looks totally worthwhile. The wheels and springs add some style points and improved stability. Leave it graphics and headlight taillight covers are not the greatest. Unpublished pricing, shipping and painting costs for some aero pieces.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.